Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to view the friends request you sent on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Let's dive in. First, go to the bottom left corner of Facebook and click on the menu button. If you're using Android, the main button can be in the top right corner, but it should be visible on the screen. Next, scroll down the page until you find Friends and tap on it. You can now view the friends request you've received, but don't worry. To view the request you sent, click on the Request option at the top of the screen. It might look like you're still viewing incoming request, but there is a trick. In the top right corner on the screen, click on the three dots. From the menu that appears, select View Sent Request. Voila! You'll now see a list of all the friends' requests you've sent that have not yet been accepted by the recipient. That's it, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Bye bye!